if Direk Ishmael Bernal were alive today and he would, see your film, how do you want him to react to this?
I think matutuwa si Ishmael. I think ma-amuse siya. I think matcha-challenge siya na yung gawa niyang trabaho noon, nanganganak na yun ng iba-ibang version. And I can imagine him looking at all these versions already and saying, sige na, tingnan natin. Not condescendingly. Kasi may si Ishmael sa discourse. Sige nga, tingnan natin, anak. Tingnan natin. At natutuwa siya. So, masaya kami na ginagawa natin ito. Kasi I don't think natutuwa si Bernie kung gagawa ka ng Himala na kinopia lang, naging clone lang, ng original na Himala. That's when he will condescend. Pero pag nakita niya na nananakot yung original na Himala, ng isang class ng Himala, like kapag mamalaki din niya at namin, I think matutuwa siya at baka bumangon pa.